How can a YouTuber such as fousey, who was so huge with so many subscribers, how can he lose so much money after working for years and years?
Because I was spending so much. Like my monthly charges on my Amex were like 30, 40,000 a month on a low month. I bought 2 Ferraris. I bought a Range Rover SVR. I bought Rolexes. My teeth cost $100,000 now.
Maybe the same thing can happen to you on your channel if you do the same mistakes. Okay, this is Mahal from 2Parcel here. Some really important tips that you don't want to miss out on. I'll be giving like a mini speech on there, so make sure you do not miss that. Your future on YouTube may even depend on it. Okay, fousey. Yusuf, who we call Fousey, is an American YouTuber and streamer who made prank videos, parodies, skits and vlogs since around 2011. Originally starting out with a fitness channel, he began to gain a lot of attention and fame when he started making funny skits about his Middle Eastern upbringing. He always had a desire to be a famous person, to be an actor, to entertain people, to make them laugh. So he really focused in on his prank videos, garnering a massive audience of millions of subscribers watching his pranks of all sorts. This was the old days of YouTube pranks. He has been hugely criticized for making prank videos that were too dangerous and that some were even fake. But you will see in this video why his early mental health issues have led him to lose so much money. This will all make sense, so just bear with me. Be patient. I used to watch his old videos in around the year 2014, which is when prank videos were all the rage. People called him out for making fake prank videos. But if he thought those were real, then yeah, I don't know how you believe that, because they seem quite fake. But people were still angry, even though he admitted that they were fake. And he's been getting a lot of backlash for that. Okay, a recent one of his losses was in July 2018. He's a huge YouTuber. He quit YouTube multiple times. He gained weight and got ripped multiple times. He's very inconsistent, but he's still a huge YouTuber with over 10 million subscribers and multiple channels. fousey is his main one with 10.4 million subscribers. And he also has many other little channels that he actually regrets making so many of. He's originally from Palestine and he was from LA. Okay, a recent one of his losses in July 2018, where he organized a huge concert at the Greek Theatre in LA. He paid first class tickets to bring all of the singers, their crew, entourage, drinks. He paid for everything, and all of the tickets that people were getting were free, so he wasn't making any money. This was all just to promote himself and to promote these artists as well. Then all of a sudden, when everyone was getting ready, some people were inside the venue and some people were outside. Everything is going good. Then someone calls in a bomb threat. A fake bomb threat cost him the entire concert. Everyone went home. It got cancelled. But he did do kind of like a mini concert outside. So everything was wasted, all of that effort. But wait, how much did he lose exactly? The theatre alone was 300k.
So how much money were you out on that whole
After all
event?
July 15th, I lost well over $1 million.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's before you get into all of the other things. Well, altogether he lost over $1 million. This is not the only reason why he lost a lot of money. There are more reasons coming up. Some that will actually make you feel even more bad for him. He also did rehab so many times, costing him $30,000 for one of them. And that was just one. So yeah, rehab is expensive. His career did kind of flatline after that. Nothing special was happening for him either. What did he do next to recover from this? Keep watching this video to find out. If you are enjoying this video so far, then I ask you to take a second to hit that subscribe button. This is Mahad here from 2Parcel. Let's make it to the top together. Grind don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube. If these tips are actually helping you or not, I read all of the comments. Thank you. Comment down below. Okay, let's get back into the video. His channel has 10 million subscribers and he has multiple channels. He was told by his family to not buy things that he doesn't need. He was getting rich, but since he had erratic behavior due to his mental health problems that he was born with, such as anxiety disorder, paranoia, bipolar syndrome and even more, he would go off the rails and spend like there was no tomorrow. He was paying around $13,000 for a house, actual penthouse, for no reason. His family told him to stop with the huge spending. We told you not to buy the Ferraris or these other fancy cars, crazy expensive clothes, but he didn't listen. He just kept going on. Now he does listen to his family to keep him in check. So he was spending a lot of money, and all of that money that he gained throughout his whole career, he doesn't really have a lot of it left. So what can you learn from this? The tip that I have for you is that mental health comes before everything, before your YouTube. Before you start YouTube, before you start your business, sort out your mental health first. YouTube is quite rough. You won't get a lot of success early on, and you will also receive a lot of negative comments, even if you are big and successful. Those comments will get to you. So if your mental health is in a bad spot, then you are in danger of losing out on everything. You might even burn out, you might freak out, you might even do things that you regret later. Mental health before anything. Get yourself sorted. See a therapist to resolve any issues from your childhood, even if you are doing good. It is the base, the foundation of your life. Imagine a tree. That tree is you. We go from the bottom of the tree and up to the branches and the leaves, the beautiful leaves. The roots are your mental health. If the roots are bad, if your mental health is bad, then whatever success you get in life as a YouTuber, as a business person, in any endeavor will be bad, and it will be magnified. That's why all of these famous people and rich people, they always have issues. It's as if it's rare to see someone that is rich and famous that is actually in good standing. Yeah, it is quite rare. I think he's a great YouTuber though, a good person deep down, as long as he is calm and balanced. And despite all of the controversy, I find him to be very inspiring, motivational, and well spoken. I wish him all the success in the future with his boxing matches and his YouTube channel and his social media career. Thank you for watching. This is Mahal from Tubas, but there is also another YouTuber who is actually blowing up, and this video right here will explain how they blew up, and you can do the same on your channel.